Hello students, welcome to the introductory video for the job role Baking Technician for class 9th. Student, a baking technician is involved in production of variety of bakery products. They are responsible for baking of products, maintaining their consistency and quality while meeting defined standard operating procedures and leveraging their skills to operate ovens in synchronization with the proof box or rest of the plant or unit. A baking technician must have the ability to plan, organize, prioritize, calculate and handle pressure. They must also possess reading, writing and communication skills. In addition, the individual must have stamina to be able to stand for long hours, have personal and professional hygiene, and an understanding of food safety standards and requirements. The textbook entitled as Baking Technician for Class 9 provides practical knowledge and skills to young students desirous of pursuing a career in the field of bakery. The 2-year job role of baking technician is an attempt to develop trained workforce for the bakery sector at the school level. In this video lecture, we are going to cover the topics from the class 9th textbook for baking technician. The textbook has been fully aligned with the national occupational standards for the job role of baking technician. Student, the textbook contains 4 units. In Unit 1, that is overview of the bakery sector, which covers baking process and categories of bakery products, tools and equipment used in a bakery unit, and bakery ingredients. In Unit 2, that is preparation and maintenance of work area and machineries, cover personal hygiene, cleanliness and sanitation, work area preparation and cleaning, sanitation and maintaining work area, machines and tools. In Unit 3, that is food microbiology, it covers food spoilage, types of microorganisms, handling and disposal of contaminated bakery products and shelf life evaluation. And lastly, Unit 4, that is pre-preparation and baking products in the oven, covers baker's math, work plan of baking, types of dough and their methods of preparation. So students, that's all from this introductory session. See you in the next video. Thank you.